Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to create high-converting ads using the Zeely app in a clear and effective way that's easy for anyone to follow. Zeely is an all-in-one mobile tool designed to help small business owners, entrepreneurs, and marketers quickly generate ads, websites, and social content without needing design or marketing experience. To start creating a high-converting ad, open the Zeely app and tap the Create button on the home screen. From here, choose the Ad option, which lets you build targeted Facebook, Instagram, or Google ads depending on your goals. Next, Zeely will ask for basic business details at your product or service name, a short description, and a few key selling points. The app uses AI to auto-generate ad copy, images, and calls to action. To boost conversions, make sure the description clearly highlights a benefit or solves a customer pain point. You can manually adjust anything the AI writes, so review the headline and description carefully to make them both engaging and relevant. After generating the ad, Zeely will show you a preview. You can test out different templates, fonts, and formats to see what fits your brand best. Make sure your image or video thumbnail is clean and professional. You can upload your own media or choose from Zeely's royalty-free image library. Keep the visuals aligned with your message, and always use strong contrast and readable text. If you're promoting a discount, limited time offer, or specific feature, make that obvious in the visual layout. Once the ad looks good, tap Next to set your audience. Zeely will recommend targeting options based on your business type, but you can customize age range, interests, locations, and more. For better conversion rates, start with a narrow audience, test the ad, and expand based on performance. You'll also set a daily or lifetime budget here. When everything's ready, tap Launch, and Zeely will automatically publish your ad on the selected platforms. That's the basic process, but remember, even the best ads need testing. Zeely provides performance insights so you can track views, clicks, and conversions. Use this data to refine your message or visuals and improve results over time. The real key is to keep your ads simple, focused, and customer-oriented. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.